Wait, why am I
I don't have
recording?
any more
Stop.
trail
Oh,
mix.
what is that?
Woo! Thank you.
Oh, you're recording me and I'm recording you.
What do you think, Sarah?
I don't have any more M&M's.
Martina is such a downer, Michelle. That's not funny.
Don't hurt.
No?
Martina's like my mom.
Hi, Veronica. What do you think about this thing that we are doing? The pumpkin.
It's so pretty.
It's so nice.
It's so nice
You can
today.
spend the
All the
whole day with
clouds are
Michelle.
all nice and pretty. And my shrivelly feet. And I'm recording.
So nice, so
And Sarah. And Martina.
Both are recording me.
And Ronnie. Ronnie! Ronnie!
I'm trying to make a braid. God, guys.
Okay.
I don't
And the
care that you call me
trail.
like a dog.
And the trail that we came from.
Ronnie sounds like dog.
We came from that trail.
Oh, we came from that trail, but half our team went that way. So,
Are we in a survival movie? Half our team?
yeah.
I have a very beautiful picture.
God, really? Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
I'm gonna turn it off. Let's hope we survive until tomorrow. Just one more day of the hike left.
Next
We can do